Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple logo in Illustrator. It will be really simple and easy. First of all, just open up the Illustrator application and then select this polygon tool. And here you have to enter here 3 and then tap on this OK. Now go for this selection tool and then you have to make it bigger like this. Then center align it. Now select this tool here, ellipse tool, and draw a circle like this. Now center align this again and change the color from here like this. Now you have to copy this circle. So just copy this circle here and drag it like this. Again copy it and drag it like this. And after that you have to select this tool here, shape builder, and as you can see you can easily cut them like this. So just select your selection tool now and then you can easily cut your selected shapes and your logo is ready. Now you can change it any color you want. You can use the gradient as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to make a simple logo in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.